Looking for a reliable solar inverter? Here are 5 great picks worth considering. Fronius, premium quality, excellent reliability, and strong long-term performance. SMA Say Auf Info, trusted German engineering and stable performance for home or small commercial systems.
Solus, budget-friendly, efficient, and a solid choice for residential solar setups.
Sungrow, high efficiency, good reliability, and a great balance of price and performance.
GoodWePly, affordable hybrid/string inverters, ideal for homes that want value for money without compromising on functionality.
Pick according to your solar panel size, budget, and whether you need battery storage. We can help you select the perfect inverter for your setup.